So today we are going to send an email through the Python program. Okay, so I have written the code. So first of all, you create the configuration.file. So write username and password of the Gmail to send the mail from the program. So here I have written these configurations in the मैंने दूसरे फाइल में लिखा है because to secure. So now this is the code for the sending email with attachments and anything. So I have taken here attachments also. So first of all, this is not important, sis. Okay, so this is the important module, SMTP lib. So what does this module creates a SMTP client session. Means SMTP means simple mail transfer protocol client session to send emails through internet. So that's the module SMTP lib. So if you इंस्टॉल करके लो उसको पिप के थ्रू. आई थिंक मुझे लगता है वो डिफ़ॉल्ट इंस्टॉल होगा या डिफ़ॉल्टली इंस्टॉल है. ओके, सो वी विल गो टू द प्रोग्राम. So here I have to take that username and password from configuration. Okay, import configuration. So here this function contains the arguments username and password. So I will send. So I don't add C. Okay, now I will take directly here C dot username C dot password. Okay, here we are passing username and password. So now we will look this function mail sender. So here send from, we are sending from our username that we are provided in configuration.py. ये हमारा मेल होगा जिसके थ्रू हम मेल सेंड कर रहे हैं. सो तो हमें किसको भेजना है उसका मेल हमने इधर लिखा है, लाइक टू whom we are sending the mail. So here this is the list. So we can add many emails if we want to send mails one more than one or more than one person. So this is subject that we write in the mail. So this is subject and this is text and this is the attachment. So we are sending an image through the mail. So this is the attachment and this is the important. We are making the format of message. We have where subject, this is the formatting. We are using formatting for the subject, text and attachment. So for subject it will take this subject, for text this will take text and this will take an attachment. So we did this, we formatted and we have to send this message. So now this is the important. Here we have used try and exception. So here first of all we create a server of smtp.smtp.ssl with this smtp.gmail.com. So this is the server we have created. Now this is the server.lo. These are not necessary, I just written that for printing, means what output will come. So that's why I written that assigned and I have printed that. So now the server will say hello. After that the server will log in with our username and password. Means हमारे username और password से सर्वर को लॉगिन होगा, इस SMTP क्लाइंट सेशन को लॉगिन होगा. उसके बाद मैसेज सेंड होगा. तो हियर सेंड फ्रॉम में जो हमारा ईमेल होगा जिसके थ्रू हम सेंड कर रहे हैं वो ईमेल होगा. बिकॉज हमने इधर लॉगिन कर लिया है तो हम डायरेक्टली अभी मेल सेंड कर सकते हैं. ये सेंड मेल सर्वर का फंक्शन है सेंड मेल. तो इसके थ्रू हम here send from, here to, and here we are sending the message. We have formatted message this and lastly we will close. If this function runs, if all this function works in try block, then we will print mail sent successfully, or lastly we will print exception and unable to send. Okay, so we will do. So I will run the code and show you what will error. what will it give? An error. Means we are directly sending, so mail sent successfully. Okay, I think I have to show that. So I will run this code. Okay, so it will give an error, so we have to turn on access in the Gmail to send the message. So this will give an error. This is the error I accepted. So first of all we have to go the account from which we are. This is my mail account, through this we are sending. So go to manage your Google account, then security, then here there will less secure apps. So here we have to turn on this access. Okay, now we are turning. So after that there is an important mail. Here the mail comes critical security alert. Then here go to the check activity. Here here read this. Here we have to do no secure account, as हमारा अकाउंट सिक्योर है भाई, तुम कुछ मत करो लाइक दैट. सो ये करना है प्रोसेस. देन आवर लेस सिक्योर एप्स विल बी correctly work. So we will go check that is it on less secure apps. Yeah, it is showing on. So now we will send again. Means Gmail doesn't give a third party access directly, so we have to, yeah, mail sent successfully. So I will show you in here in the send box. It is okay, that is going. So here this is the mail that has sent like that. Okay, thank you.